I'll go into ours so that I can show you what it looks like once you do get that set up.
Okay.
Once you get those profiles linked in there. The social planner makes this really, really easy. In that, like, you can post to multiple different platforms at the same time. You can customize your content for each of those platforms, or you can have it choose like a format that is compatible with all of them. So it's like a least common denominator kind of thing, right? So if I come in here, I'm like, all right, let's say I only want to post to Instagram. All right. So I can see if I want to make a post to Instagram, I have a character limit of 2,200 characters. I can put an image. Obviously, that's encouraged. It's Instagram. This AI here, this is something that loan officers are freaking out over, right? I don't know what to post. And then come in here, create your content title, right? Call it October or Halloween themed pre-approval post, right? Use a Halloween theme to communicate the importance of getting pre-approved before you go out looking at houses. Okay, like this, pre-approved. House shopping, home loan, writing tone. Oops, this there. I want it to be, let's go dramatic. Go medium length, and this is cool, custom length. So I can go 200 words. 3 variations. All right. Boom, holy emojis. Don't get tricked this Halloween season. House hunting can be a real fright, but being pre-approved is a key to home buying delight. Oh, the fucking rhymes. Embark on your spooky journey through the realm of real estate. Make sure you have the power of pre-approval on your side. Dude, this is fucking gold. This is gold. I mean, not for my Facebook profile, but for somebody's. Or get your mortgage pre-approval or face the spooky consequences. So yeah, I mean, you can have fun with this, right? Like generate different styles. I mean, it's just like Chat GPT, and technically you can go to GPT and you could get better results if you're paying for premium, GPT-4, you go over there, you can get better results. But at the end of the day, like, being able to have it directly in here and block out an hour twice a week to schedule half a week's worth of posts across 3 different platforms.
Yeah, I mean,
you're so far ahead of fucking any LO out there right now.